Open up, sweetie. I got the Thanksgiving turkey. Lemon. Want a starry cranberry? Let me in, sweetie. Let's have a Thanksgiving dinner party. It's Nerf or nothing. I'm going to litter on your front porch. Carrot. Alakazam. Shopping time. Baloney time. Hey, look, a clown. You gotta let him into your house now. Apple. You're all clean. Spider. Egg. Please let me in. Please let me in. Look at this. How did they make this piece of cheese so flat? How? Guys, want some cranberry Canada Dry? I bet you do. Let's go. Time to shave. Orange. It's time to drink. It's time to drink.
It was like 1 a.m. and this random guy pulls up on my deck, eating noodles like a monster.
Oh, hey.
I'm just eating ramen right now. And you know I have to eat it like a monster. Hey bro, looks like you left your noodles on your porch. Cheddar cheese. Yep. Cheeseburger. Butter. 7-Up. Help! Help! There's a snake on me! Please tell me. Tiny eggs. Lightning! I'm gone! That's me! Hawaiian punch!
Strangest men, they always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed
I got Chick-fil-A sauce.
ate his women friends. Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me. Slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of
Hey, you forgot your receipt from the store. Do you want me to give it to you? What if you have to return something?